Hey everybody, I wanted to take a second to talk with you about review topics. Review topics are a bonus assignment intended to help you study for the exam, and I also give you some bonus points for them. If you'll look in Blackboard, you will see that I had an announcement about review topics, and it's important to read that. But I also want to take a second to go over the best way to find the answers. You can use your book, the index, you can use any of my PowerPoints, but there's a feature in in PowerPoint that many people don't know about, and it's called the Find feature. So if you see right now, I am in one of my 201 PowerPoints. It was downloaded, so you'll need to go in and download it from Blackboard for this to work, and you open it up. And on the Home tab, if you'll go to Find, you click, see it right here, there's a magnifying glass, you click it, and it will allow you to search the document for a word. So if I am talking about the slave trade and I want to look into that, then I will do slave, find next, and it will highlight in the PowerPoint every place where slave is found. Okay, we can do the same for tobacco. It will show you everywhere tobacco is in the document. So a lot of times this can just save you time as you look for specific things on the review topics, especially if there are a few that you're having a hard time finding. Again, the review topics are not a required assignment, but they do really help you prepare. If you want, you may do them on a piece of paper folded long ways so that you can fold it and quiz yourself, but it's really important to, once you are finished with your review topics, that you take photos of it and then you insert in Microsoft Word. I'll show you how to do that as well. In Microsoft Word, you will go to Insert, and you will insert a picture, and you will browse your computer. See, there's my cute kids, for whatever photos you have taken, and then when you insert that photo, you will drag it to be the full length of the page. That's a pretty high quality picture, so it went in large, but a lot of times they go in smaller, and you will drag it like this to be the full length of the page. That way, if you have 10 photos, you're still only going to turn in on Blackboard one document. And the reason for that is simply because if it's a JPEG, I have to click on every file. So if I have to click on 10 pictures for all of my 250 students, that is an incredible amount of space on the computer and time, where if it is in one document, it allows me to be able to do it more quickly, which means you get feedback more quickly, and that's always a good thing. Reminder that review topics are not required assignments. They are bonus points, but again, they do help prepare you, and you can never have too many bonus points. I hope that's helped clear up some questions about exam review topics. If you have any more, feel free to email me. Best of luck.